Everything I ever did, I thought about it. Everything I ever did, I thought about it. Even when I was a kid, I thought about it. Everything I ever did, I thought it. Everything I did in life, it motivated me to be who I am today. The reason why I'm here today motivated everything I had to do. I did it from the heart when I started in the beginning, and I knew it was hard when I knew I wasn't winning. So I had to play my cards right, staying motivated and dedicating myself to my dreams until I made it. I made it. Everything I did in life, it motivated me to be who I am today. I thought about it, everything I ever did. I thought about even when I was a kid. I thought about it, all the things I ever did. I thought about everything I did in life. I thought about it all the time, and today I still do. I thought about it all my life. I'm always thinking of things to do. I thought about it